What's up, I'm Jaxx and I'm gonna show you how to get your music to Spotify right now.
I'm doing power moves. We're doing power.
So you got your songs finished and you want to have the people to listen to your song on Spotify right now. It's a good thing that I just partnered with TuneCore, the biggest music distribution company there is. And the sponsor of this video, yes, I officially partnered with TuneCore, yeah! So I can give you more opportunities and to show you how it's done. TuneCore paid over $2 billion to its artists. And they don't take any percentage of their sales revenue, so why not choose TuneCore? I have a special opportunity for you at the end of the video, but for now, just pay attention. I'm gonna show you right now how to get your music to Spotify in easy steps. So the first thing you do is choose your song title. Type in your song title. Do you have explicit lyrics or not? Yes, I do. In this case, here you can choose your song, your artist name, and if you have a featured artist, you can add featured artists, which language, what genre you have. If you have a release date, make sure you have 4 weeks in advance at least, in order to give the stores time to review the release. And yeah, you fill everything out what you need here. You can look into this in no time. So now you're at the point where you choose your stores. Of course, you want to have it in as many stores as available, and of course your main store Spotify is already here. If you have a specific store you don't want to have your music available on, you just click here and you see you have it removed. Okay, so we save that, or we save it here. Okay, you see it's to the stores. Here you can add all the songwriters, all the song info that you have. So now you want to upload your song, but before you do, make sure your song has the 16-bit wave. But if you have your song properly mixed and mastered, it's already set for this. So upload your song. So let's pretend my song is uploaded now and I have already made my artwork, or uploaded my artwork, which you can do here. Make sure it's JPEG or PNG, all good. Okay, so the last thing will happen. Everything should be checked on your end. The last thing what will happen is gonna take you to a checkout, and after everything is set up, you paid everything and you're gonna be on Spotify soon. Your song is gonna be there. You're gonna be notified as soon as your music is available. That's it. That's all you have to do. So, and this is how it looks when everything is done. My artwork is here, my stores are selected, and everything is cleared. And the song is live. You can listen to it now. Let me know if you have any questions. Click the link in the description. The special opportunity waits for you, a special discount provided by TuneCore. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Peace.